Happy Friday, everybody, and it's a special Friday today, isn't it? I've seen lots of yellow ears and spotty scarves going past me today, which must mean it's children in need. I'm sure in your classes today you'll have an opportunity to think about children in need and what it means and what we're raising some money for today. Now, as a school and a trust, we acknowledge the rights of all children, and BBC Children in Need helps us to achieve this in many ways. So when you're thinking about children in need today, have a think about the articles from the Rights of a Child and how they fit. I'll start you off with some thoughts. How about Article 6, that every child has the right to life, to survival and development? Or how about Article 19, governments must do all they can to ensure that children are protected? Article 23, a child with a disability has the right to live a full and decent life with dignity and independence and to play an active part in community. Article 27, every child has the right to a standard of living that is good enough to meet their physical and social needs and support their development. Article 31, every child has the right to relax, to play and to take part in a wide range of cultural and artistic activities. Remember, this also fits in with many of our values, such as respect for the rights of others, and of course, kindness. So now, let's have a look at all of your achievements from this week and who's going to get my head teacher certificates. This week, I'm going to start with Year 6 for a change, and we begin with Jake and Suki. Jake, you've been extra helpful and responsible around the class, completing jobs without being asked, wiping the board, tidying the front desk, submitting another child's work for them on Teams as they had to leave early, and just being a really kind member of the class and encouraging others to make good choices. Brilliant, Jake. And Suki, you're here for showing brilliant resilience with your maths. You've thought really carefully about your short-term target and what you would like to achieve. Well done. From Langdon A, Cody and Sophie have a certificate. Both of them have been massive superstars this week. In fact, most weeks. They really show the school values every day, and this week both of them have written some brilliantly detailed pieces of writing. You've made excellent use of interesting adjectives, imperative verbs, adverbials and a wide range of punctuation, even including ellipsis, semicolons and punctuation for parenthesis. Wow! From Year 5 now, Elisha has shown superb resilience. Elisha, you've shown fantastic determination when writing your portal story. As you ran out of time in class, you decided to keep planning at home and then spent a whole afternoon at school writing it up. You've also enjoyed your maths so much that you decided to complete all the extra challenges in your lunchtime. Wow, Elisha, that's a really brilliant attitude you're showing there. Musa and Jamie, you have a certificate for creativity. You have both written a fantastic story with some great phrases. You were writing a code task about a tiny crusader. That sounds really interesting. Let's have a look at Years 3 and 4 now. Charlie and Lily, you have been showing creativity and excellent attention to your writing skills through Greek myth warning stories this week. Charlie, you've also focused on your letter formation very carefully. Well done, you two. Also in Year 4, Scarlett and Daisy, you have shown brilliant resilience in maths this week, learning to multiply and divide by both 6 and 12. Both of you have used a wide range of resources from your toolkits to support your learning. That's brilliant to hear and really helps with your independence and confidence. Riley S. and Thomas, you are here for showing creativity in topic work. You've been creating some Bronze Age jewellery and especially your woolly mammoth collages. I can't wait to see them. Cicely, you've been very resilient in both maths and English this week. You've been working more independently. You've also written a wonderful set of instructions of how to make a prehistoric clay pot. That sounds really interesting. Well done. Time to go to Key Stage 1 now. LMA, your certificate is for a super effort with your handwriting. You always give 100%. I'd really like to see an example of that, please. Joshua, what amazing resilience you've had in maths and English this week. You've focused well in every lesson and really applied yourself as you learn about adding and subtracting 10 and writing instructions on how to make a potion. Monty, you are here for always trying your very best in every single aspect of your learning. Well done. Spike, you have shown respect during the Remembrance Day activities. That's fantastic to hear. Following on from that, I'd like to also say how impressed I was with the respect that the whole school showed during our 2-minute silence on Wednesday. Well done to all of you. I'm really proud of you all, and I hope that you're proud of yourselves as well. I'm sure that lots of you have got something to celebrate from this week. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Don't forget to check out our gallery for this week now.